Hello. Hello guys. You can hear me, right? So we will create one more test case with the checkboxes. Go to the checkboxes, click here and check the checkboxes and verify the checkboxes are checked or not. We'll verify it. Okay. So go back here, copy this URL. So before copying this, so you can create test checkboxes here. One more folder you can create, one more file you can create. Mm, checkboxes test dot spec.series. Okay. Spec is nothing but one file. We call it as a file. In JavaScript, we call it as spec. Okay. So till here it is same. So I don't want to waste like time. So copy this complete test case. Copy this complete test case. Till here, I'm doing copy paste here. Okay. Till this line, first line, till this is the test case format. You need to remember like this. Till here it is same. And also await page. Till here it is same. So we'll change the URL. From here we will write the code. Okay. Now await page.goto. So if you want to know this information, watch my previous sessions. So it is nothing but we are creating a new context. Means a browser in the browser no, it's an empty page we are creating. For that we are adding new page. So empty page is nothing but there won't be any cookies also. That kind of page we are creating. Then for that we are creating a page. Okay. Context, browser context we are creating. For that we are creating new page. Okay. Now here enter this URL, enter this URL. After that, so you need to click on the checkboxes, right? Identify the element. So it has link and text. Okay. We will go with the link. Okay. Link, we will go with link, control F. So href equal to the link. I will provide the link. See, one element is matching, right? So I am identifying the elements based on the CSS selectors. Okay. Await page dot locator. Okay. Page dot locator dot click. I'm clicking on this element. Once if I click, so after clicking here, here we can verify when I enter here. So here by default checkbox is checked, right? You can verify here. The default checkbox is checked. Here, this is the checkbox heading. Okay, both checkboxes, form ID. Under this form ID, one is input type checkbox one is input type checkbox two. Okay. So status now, you can get the status. Input, get this element, get this type, type no, type right. And go with this input xpath at the rate type equal to checkbox. Okay. Two elements are matching. What I will do, I will go with the index. Okay. See, one element is matching. I get this one. Go here, await page dot locator dot this element no dot. Okay. here what we can do, right? So directly we can write expect. Expect is the assertion, right? We are doing assertion. Expect this element, the first element, expect of this first element. So await expect this element dot to be checked. So it is having one method. So we are clicking on the checkboxes. So under these checkboxes, we have two checkboxes, right? Assertion. I'm doing assertion. Assertion. Okay. So default checkbox is the second checkbox, right? So we identify the second checkbox. It already checked, right? And I'm doing validation that it this to be checked by default. Okay. I'm running this test now. Okay. Yes. We will run the test case. So this is failed. Why it is failed? It is checked, right? Unexpected value unchecked. This element is correct, right? Second element only we are picking. Mhm. See, if I put 0 here, mm, okay. See here. So element identification is wrong. So both elements are matching. This is ID. Okay. This is checkbox on. Okay. For my checkboxes, checkbox on text and book type. Okay. ID. This is ID. Mm, yeah. So both it is there. Both the text. Okay. Copy this element. And here dot issue. Okay. Okay, only two only two elements are there, right? We will go with the last element, this element to be checked. Okay. We will run and check this element to be checked. To test case are passed. Show the report. Logout functional checkbox test. Okay. Expected to be checked. By default, no, this is checked, right? So I use the last. See here, why I use the last name? Here, there are only two checkboxes. So this is the first index we can take. This is the last index we can take. Okay. Suppose now I'm going with the same assertion. See here, input logs. Now I'm using first checkbox. First checkbox is unchecked, right? Unchecked. So here to be unchecked, we have unchecked. Okay, we don't have unchecked. Okay. Mm, okay, it is unchecked, right? By default, first element. Go here and see what is the property we have for first element. This is mm, so we don't have any other properties. So we are not seeing. Mm, unchecked. We will try with unchecked directly. So I'm not saying the method there. We will try to find out the way. So it is doing the unchecked it. Okay. Dot first element. Dot. Okay. Uncheck we have directly. Directly. So in order to write the assertion, see we have uncheck. Okay. Can you try this one? So the test case got passed. Okay. Now what we can do, right? Uncheck. First default uncheck, right? Now I'm doing check again. So go here, control V. You see method is there, dot check. Yes. Method is there. Wait, page dot I'm doing pass. So we will see, we are debugging now. So it should pass here. So it should check by default. What we are trying to say is by default it is checked, by default it is unchecked. Again, I am checking now. Whether it is checking or not, we can see here. Okay. See, it is checked, right? You can see that this is checked. I hope this is very helpful for you guys. And again, see one more thing I am writing here. So you can do validation. Again, assertion you can do here. So I am coming to this one. Now same. First it is checked, right? This one here, you can write like this. This is the assertion I am using here again. What I am doing, you get the past record. This element, first element to be checked. That's it. I am running it. See the test case got passed. I am generating the HTML report. See, all the steps passed. Okay, the name we need to change here. Okay, see by default it is checked the first second, and we are checking first element is not checked. We are checking here. We are doing some assertion. So just to change, I have copy pasted right the test case name. It is giving incorrect. So go here, check boxes, verification, verification. Okay, validation, check boxes, validation. Okay. I hope you guys are understood the concept. Thank you.